Range hoods are essential appliances in modern kitchens, designed to keep the air fresh by removing smoke, odors, grease, and heat. If you're thinking about upgrading your kitchen or adding a stylish and functional touch, a good quality wall mount or under cabinet range hood is the way to go. This video explores the top 5 best wall mount and under cabinet range hoods available on Aliexpress. Number 1, Sierra 30-inch wall mount range hood. The Sierra 30-inch wall mount range hood offers a sleek, modern look that perfectly complements any kitchen decor. Its stainless steel body adds an elegant touch, while its performance is unmatched. With its 450 cfm cubic feet per minute airflow, this range hood is designed to handle heavy-duty cooking environments. Whether you're cooking with a high flame or frying food, this range hood ensures that your kitchen stays free from grease and smoke. It's easy to install and comes with a touch control panel that adds convenience. For those who are conscious of energy consumption, the Sierra range hood is energy efficient and operates quietly, making it a perfect choice for open-concept kitchens. Its carbon filter, sold separately, enables you to use it ductlessly, making it versatile for any kitchen layout. Key features. High performance. The 450 cfm airflow is powerful enough to clean your kitchen air even during intense cooking. Stylish design. The stainless steel body and LED lighting add a sophisticated, modern look to your kitchen. Easy operation. Features touch control panel and a 3-speed fan setting. Quiet operation. Even at high speeds, the noise level remains low, less than 65 dB. Versatile installation. Can be installed ducted or ductless with a carbon filter. Number 2, Fotile JQ-G7501 under cabinet range hood. The Fotile JQ-G7501 is an ultra-modern, sleek, under cabinet range hood, designed for high performance in the kitchen. Known for its unique side draft design, this hood captures fumes and grease more efficiently than traditional top-mounted hoods. The side draft system helps trap up to 92% of the harmful fumes and odors, keeping your kitchen air fresh and safe. With a powerful 380 cfm and a dual fan system, it offers efficient ventilation for any heavy-duty cooking. The stainless steel and black tempered glass exterior bring a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. This range hood is ideal for those who prioritize quiet performance and aesthetics. The touch-sensitive controls and LED lighting enhance its usability, while its grease filtration system ensures easy maintenance. Key features. Side draft design captures up to 92% of cooking fumes and odors, perfect for compact kitchens. Quiet but powerful, offers 380 cfm of air circulation while remaining ultra-quiet at less than 54 dB. Touch control. Easily manage fan speeds, lighting, and auto shut-off through its intuitive control panel. High efficiency, dual fans make it ideal for heavy-duty cooking without disturbing the peace in your home. Easy maintenance. The stainless steel filters are removable and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Number 3, Golden Vantage 30-inch wall mount range hood. The Golden Vantage 30-inch wall mount range hood is designed with both performance and style in mind. Its angular chimney shape and brushed stainless steel finish make it a focal point in any kitchen. With a powerful 343 cfm motor, this range hood effectively removes smoke, odors, and grease particles from the air. It's particularly well suited for small to medium-sized kitchens. The hood comes with adjustable chimney extensions, making it easy to fit into various kitchen layouts. It also features an easy-to-use touch control panel with a digital display, allowing you to manage fan speeds and lighting with ease. In terms of maintenance, the aluminum mesh filters are dishwasher safe, ensuring long-lasting efficiency. Key features. Compact power. With 343 cfm, it's perfect for smaller kitchens without sacrificing ventilation power. Elegant design, the brushed stainless steel finish offers a modern, stylish look. Adjustable chimney, can be easily adjusted to fit ceiling heights between 7.5 to 9 feet. Touch controls, digital display, and 3-speed fan control for easy operation. Energy efficient, equipped with LED lights to save on energy consumption. Number 4. Zline 36-inch under cabinet range hood. The Zline 36-inch under cabinet range hood offers professional-grade performance, making it a go-to choice for serious home cooks. Its high-powered 400 CFM motor is designed to efficiently remove smoke, grease, and odors from the air, keeping your kitchen fresh even during heavy cooking sessions. Constructed with premium stainless steel, the Zline range hood is both durable and stylish, blending seamlessly with various kitchen designs. The Zline under cabinet range hood features for fan speeds and push-button controls, providing flexibility for different cooking scenarios. Whether you're frying, boiling, or grilling, you can select the appropriate fan speed to clear the air. The built-in baffle filters capture grease effectively and are easy to clean. Key features: powerful motor, the 400 CFM airflow ensures that your kitchen air is always clean and fresh. Professional design, stainless steel construction and an under-cabinet installation make it sleek yet functional. For fan speeds, allows you to adjust the speed based on your cooking requirements. Dishwasher-safe baffle filters, high-quality filters are easy to clean and designed to last. Quiet operation, noise levels are kept low even when operating at higher speeds. Number 5. Acti 30-inch wall mount range hood. The Acti 30-inch wall mount range hood combines high functionality with a modern, sleek design. The hood is made from high-grade stainless steel with a tempered glass canopy that adds a sophisticated flair to your kitchen. With a 400 CFM motor, this range hood efficiently captures smoke, grease, and odors, ensuring your kitchen stays fresh and clean. It offers a 3-speed fan and touch control system, making it easy to customize the airflow depending on your cooking activity. LED lighting illuminates your cooktop, while the noise level is kept under 60 dB, even at its highest setting. The aluminum mesh filters are removable and dishwasher safe, which makes cleaning a breeze. Key features: high performance, 400 CFM airflow, ideal for medium to large kitchens. Modern design, features a tempered glass canopy and stainless steel construction for a contemporary look. 3-speed fan, adjustable fan speeds to suit your cooking needs. Quiet operation, keeps noise levels under 60 dB for a peaceful kitchen environment. Energy efficient, LED lighting enhances visibility while conserving energy. Conclusion: choosing the right range hood for your kitchen can make a significant difference in maintaining air quality and enhancing the overall aesthetic. Whether you opt for the sleek Sierra wall mount range hood, the modern Fotile under cabinet range hood, or the elegant Acti 30-inch wall mount range hood, each of these options offers a combination of style, performance, and ease of maintenance.